Let's make this creamy Abelewalls ice cream together. I welcome you back again to my channel. This ice cream was made with just 3 ingredients and it came out so perfect and yummy as well. Guys, you are going to love this ice cream after watching this video to the end. Let's get into the video. Into a bowl, I'll go in with my 1.5 cup of milk powder. I'll then go in with my 1 cup of condensed milk. After that, I will add water to mix everything together. If today is your first time here, I'm Getty. You are welcome to my channel where I share easy food recipes here. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And I also want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming through to watch my videos and also leaving a comment under my post. God bless you all. So at this point, I realized my mixture was too thick, so I went in to add a little bit of water. So the thickness actually depends on your preference. If you want it light, you add more water. If you want it thick, you add less water. Okay, so after mixing everything, I will go ahead and then strain the ice cream mixture. I will then go ahead to serve them in my cup. Thank you so much. If you are still watching up to this time, please don't forget to like this video and also share to reach wider audience. So at this point, I went in with my vanilla essence. You can add any flavor of your choice and then mix everything together. This looks so creamy and yummy. So I will just go ahead and then serve them into my cups. And you can also follow and watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube shorts. The name is Getty Cooks and it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any amount. So after serving, I will just go ahead and put in my chewing stick, which is very common to get anywhere. So the rest of the ice cream, I was able to tie this and this plastic rubber. So I'm going to keep this in the freezer for hours. So this is the next day and here we have our ice cream. It came out so perfect, looking so yummy and delicious as well. Okay, lovelies, here we have our creamy milky Abelewalls and this looks so yummy and superb. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to this time. If you find it interesting, give it a thumbs up. Also share this video and leave a comment after watching this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.